I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to submit a copyright takedown request on YouTube. This legal process helps protect your original work from unauthorized use. You have two main ways to submit a request: directly through YouTube Studio, which is often the easiest, or by sending details via email, fax, or traditional mail. It is crucial to confirm you hold the exclusive rights to the content you are protecting before proceeding with any submission. Before submitting your request, gather all necessary information. First, provide your full contact details, including an email address and phone number, as YouTube or the uploader might need to reach you. Next, clearly and completely describe your copyrighted content. Finally, include direct, specific links to the allegedly infringing material on YouTube. These links must be in the correct URL format for the content type, ensuring accuracy for the review process. To complete your submission, sign into YouTube Studio and navigate to the Copyright section on the left menu. Select New Removal Request to open the form. Here, you will input all the gathered details about the infringing video and your original work. You can choose to send a 7-day notice to the uploader or request immediate removal. Before submitting, you must agree to two legally binding statements, confirming the accuracy of your claim and your good faith belief. After you submit, YouTube reviews your request to ensure it meets all legal requirements and appears valid. If approved, the infringing content is removed, and the uploader receives a copyright strike. A first strike requires the uploader to attend copyright school. Accumulating 3 active copyright strikes within a 90-day period will result in the termination of their YouTube channel, including all associated channels and videos. Strikes remain on an account for 90 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.